Hello, and welcome to another episode of Intune Training, the place to learn how to use Microsoft Intune, the Steve and Adam Show with Adam and Steve.
Hello.
Hey, buddy. What's going on?
How's it going?
Well, we're still here making,
yeah,
just knocking out some videos, man. Let's do it.
Yeah, let's see if we can set our record for the most quickest video.
Well, stop talking then. All right, here we go.
All right, let's do it.
All right.
What are we talking about again?
We long ago. See, we're not really re-recording videos, but we're kind of re-recording videos that we did before. So there was a video that we did a while back where we did this, where we turned on the red banner here, and we in the company portal or the customization options in your tenant. Well, one of the things we never covered, and I've had to do this in production, is once we rolled out Company Portal and noticed that, man, we're getting a whole lot of these apps showing up here.
Oh, yes.
And it was quite frustrating. And took a while to kind of figure out where that was all coming from. I want to say this is the right URL. I didn't test it.
Microsoft.com. Yep. And you can also go to portal.office.com and then put the waffle up the top, more apps, and you'll see the same thing.
Yeah.
But my apps is the better way to do it.
Yeah. So you get here and you have all of these things, and these are all web-based applications. So you can click any of these and get through to the web-based versions of these. So if you're in your company portal, they're advertised the same way. Somebody at Microsoft has something against icons. I don't understand.
Yes.
We have no icons for those. But anyway, it's just a link to a web browser, which is kind of a weird place to put it in the company portal. You kind of hope that, hey, it'd be great.
It's the portal to everything in your company.
Yeah. Well, so like even if you advertise a web URL through the store or from Intune, if you go add an app, you can make a shortcut. It just adds it to the same thing here. No, it doesn't add it to start. It just adds it to here. And so you have to go here to go find it and open it. And that's just kind of weird. Anyway, bottom line, we don't want all these things here.
Correct.
It's ugly. It causes confusion.
All right, how are we going to fix it?
Not obvious. So here we go. So we're going to go back into our portal, go to tenant administration, jump over to customization. And this default customization is applied to all users and devices. It can be edited but not deleted. And then this is cool because you can go preview customizations on the company portal website as you do it. It won't. It should work for me here.
The important thing to note is that it's for the whole tenant, not just for one-off policies. So you can't sit there and say business unit X gets this and Y gets that.
Look,
and we get the icons.
Unbelievable.
Correct.
So anyway, we go down here, we hit edit, and we've already gone through all these things, but just so you know, that you can change your color themes and do
and you can do custom colors if you have proper numbered RGB colors and all of that cool stuff and
all the stuff. Go back and watch the other video if you want more details on it. And you can actually customize things for Android, iOS, all those things. And here they are. So there are Azure AD Enterprise apps, Office Online apps. And Steve, did you know there is a brand new option here that did not exist previously?
I will be honest, I did not, because I don't deal much with Config Manager anymore.
I know. We've gone over that at length, Steve.
Yes.
So if you are using Config Manager and you've got co-management enabled and you've slid your application slider over and you're ready to no longer advertise Config Manager apps into Company Portal, you can now do that here. We don't have it connected to our tenant, so if we hide it here, it's not going to make a difference for what you see. But that's how you can go ahead and just kind of make that cutover and say, look, I don't want to go deal with unadvertising all of these collections after I've migrated them all in Intune. It's not worth the hassle. Just go turn them off.
The other thing that I'm going to call out here, Adam, and it's something to be aware of, is you can also sit there and hide the reset button for Windows and iOS devices here. We don't recommend this, but in some organizations you may want to do this.
Yep.
But it's for your whole tenant, not just for a group of devices.
Yep. And so anyway, we're going to go here and hit save. Now, let's go see.
Should be pretty quick.
Check it out here. It's lying to us. Didn't really work.
Maybe you need to click on the link again. in the actual
Maybe.
portal.
Wow, that's phenomenal. Let's go over here and see what happens. Shouldn't require a sync or anything.
Might, but it shouldn't.
Well, that's just stellar. All right, let's
getting
see
there.
if it needs a sync. I know it works. I've used it.
Yeah.
It does work. It just take a minute. It's that whole Australian internet coming over here.
Yes. God bless the National Broadband Network.
Yeah.
All hail.
Yeah. Well, let's see. Try this again. I would expect that it would show up here first.
Yep.
Navigate differently. Well, they're all gone here. If we go to all apps, just go back. Recently published. It's just odd. I don't know. If we go here and do all apps, are they gone? Hey, they're gone now. So for some reason, recently published apps aren't clearing out, but they absolutely are gone from the main list here. So strange behavior. I suspect it'll soak and it'll clear out. We're not going to sit here and belabor that, but you get the idea. It does work. You can go kill it, and I don't believe it removes them from here. That would be bad if it did.
Yes, because this is your tenant level configuration. The other thing to note with that is you can actually put the Edge and Chrome extensions to link to my apps. Did you know that?
Oh, no.
Yeah.
Did you know that if you do want to curate this list, you can do that in your admin.microsoft.com portal?
Yes, you can.
So I've heard. I don't know how, but it's in there somewhere.
I don't know how either.
We're not going to do it. Someone can do it. All right, that's it. It's the whole deal. Just quick win, easy one.
Yep.
So
awesome.
Anything
Good
else?
Team. No, I think that covers it. Everything.
All right. Well, see you later then.
All right. Bye.
Bye.
Thanks everyone for watching.